Okay, this is a simple walkthrough of, I guess you'd call it an exploration game that I created as part of a computer programming course that I was creating for students when I was the online school coordinator for the Alberta Distance Learning Center's Vista Virtual School. Anyways, this information file says, in your career as an archaeologist, this is the moment you have always dreamed of. You have discovered what appears to be the tomb of Amenhotep III, a king of Egypt's 17th dynasty. If so, you will win world renown for yourself and your university. Now you stare at the open corridor before you and prepare to move forward in search of the artifacts that will change your life. Click the back arrow to return to the game. Click the buttons to move through the maze. Programmed by Bill Buchanan as a learning exercise on arrays and preloading images as part of a distance learning course, Computer Programming 4, Information Processing 2170. It may be freely used and modified as you wish. For example, it would be easy to add animated GIFs as monsters to fight and pictures of inventory items or items lying around to be picked up and used, as in some games. The email address and mailing address there are, many years out of date. Anyways, let's go back to the game for a quick walkthrough here. Okay, we'll go ahead. Let's go left. Let's go right. Let's go ahead some more. Oh, again, we have to turn right. And
I'm ready to go. What are we doing again?
And let's go ahead. The burial chamber filled with the treasures of Amenhotep III. He returned to report the good news. And there's the door to the burial chamber. Okay, now we'll go back. And if I've done this right, yeah, you exit the tomb of Amenhotep III. Okay, and this is supposed to be a heap of sand on the lower right, sun shining in the sky into the cloud. This was programmed on a Performa 5260 Macintosh, which I had at the time. And so this whole picture is blown up many times the size of the original. So that's where you get all these dots and stuff that were not obvious in the Macintosh version. Okay, and just in the last few days, I added an animated GIF of a snake, just as an example of what it would look like. A deadly snake blocks your path. And this is just an animated GIF picture that I got from the internet, but it looks kind of nice. Okay, at this point, I think I can stop the recording.